So today I'm going to fix my car. There's a problem with the boost controller. It's not actually allowing the actuator to give full boost. So I'm going to have a look, maybe clean it, and hopefully we'll get full boost back, because 5 psi is not that fun. So I think you can see the boost is back and it's making the good noise again. So what happened, it took me about 2 hours to repair. All I did was take off the boost controller. I cycled it through the setup phase. So in Subarus, you connect the green wires together, turn on the ignition, and it cycles through on and off for everything. Basically, while it was doing that, I was squirting brake cleaner into the turbo boost control lines, and some doesn't it look like yellowy liquid came out. Nothing was blocked. The restrictor peel was still in there, which is good because it should be in there. And you know, the lines seem to have cleared out. I disconnected the battery to reset the ECU. But the problem, you know, there's like a connector line between the actuator and the actual turbo housing, and access is awful. This engine's a bitch to work on. Scrapes knuckles. I think you need to have very tiny childlike hands to work on it properly, but I have big man hands. Anyway, I did it, and it works. It took me 2 hours. So if you're stuck on turbo boost, which is 0.5 bar, which is the actuator, it means there's some problem with the control line. Diagnostic is the control lines. Check that out and just take it off and clean it, put it back on. In my case, it worked. Last time I had to buy a whole new turbo boost controller. So I've saved myself $100 US dollars, which is good. Yeah, game on. Let's keep driving. See you later, guys. Thank you.